From past couple of months, a word is very much common in media. What is that word? That word is liquor. We had news for liquor scam. We had also news from taxes on liquor. Now we have news for poisonous liquor, which is also known as hooch. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about poisonous liquor, which is hooch tragedy, which had recently happened in Tamil Nadu. And this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. So, moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss a brief about that what is hooch, and then we are going to discuss that what is the process of hooch, and then we are going to discuss what is the impact of hooch and how it can be dangerous, and also the risk also and the impact. So these all three will dealt with the impact and what is the treatment for the hooch. After that, we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So what had happened in Tamil Nadu that at least 34 people died by consuming poisonous liquor and almost 100 people are in the hospital. And this number can be varied also because so many people are died before reaching to the hospital. So this is the scenario of Tamil Nadu, and this is not just the case of Tamil Nadu. We had also hooch tragedy from Bihar and other parts of the country, and this has become very much common that people are consuming poisonous liquor and that is taking their lives. So this is the news we are going to cover up in today's session. So moving towards the introduction part, that what is hooch? So hooch is commonly used for the term for poor quality of alcohol, which is derived from the word Hoochino, which is a native Alaskan tribe who used to produce strong liquor. So this is the history behind the word hooch. Now we come to that, what is the problem with the hooch? So unlike the branded liquor, which are more made in a sophisticated and technical manner, the hooch is often made in a crude setting. So that's why they are poisonous in nature and they are unsafe to consume. And to put it simple, hooch is alcohol meant to intoxicate, but if it prepared in a incorrect way, that can be dangerous to your life also. So this is the brief definition of the hooch. Now we come to the another one, which is about that how is hooch produced. So why we are discussing here the process of hooch production, because it's very important, because there is a problem in production itself, and because of the problem in production we can get the poisonous liquor. So that's why it's very important to understand that how hooch is being produced. So we have two processes. The first process is fermentation, and what happened in this process, when heated, yeast reacts to sugar from grains, fruits, sugarcane to ferment and produce a mixture containing alcohol. But it has a certain limitations and it has a basic limitations. So what limitation it has? As fermentation continues and alcohol level rise, condition in the mixture becomes toxic for the yeast. So this is the basic limitation we have. Now we come to the second process. The second process is distillation. And what distillation means here? So this is the process of physically separating alcohol from fermentation mixture using evaporation and condensation. So first we do fermentation, and when there is a process of physically separation of fermented mixture by using the process of evaporation and condensation, so that process is called as distillation. However, it has also certain limitation because so many mixtures are involved in it, and each mixture has a different boiling limits and boiling points, but they are mixed together and they are boiled together. That's why there is a toxicity. There are high chances that toxicity are more present in the alcohol. So this is about the hooch production method. Now we come to the why can hooch be dangerous. So we already had discussed the hooch production method. So why can be hooch be dangerous? So first problem comes with the production method, because we don't know the proper method of fermentation, and also we don't know the proper method of distillation. and if it's fermented or distilled in a incorrect manner, then that become dangerous and to your health also. So there is an inherent risk associated with the crude method of hooch production. As I already have told you that if you will go to the commercial alcohol production, they had a different points and they had a different kind of containers and different methods to boil everything and to mix everything. But when it comes to the hooch kind of thing, they don't follow any proper method, and that's why the liquor become poisonous in nature. Non-distilled alcoholic beverages like wine contain relatively harmless what you can say liquor. So if you're consuming wine and that of the good quality, that is less harmless than the hooch because they are distilled. And on the other hand, what we have seen that wine are non-distilled, it means that their temperature and everything has been in a controlled manner, and they are done in a very incorrect way. That's why it becomes hooch, and hooch makers have no temperature control, and it means that process of distillation lacks the accuracy, and because of the lacking of accuracy we get this poisonous what you can say liquor. Now we come to the what other risk does hooch pose. So the in order to maintain the distillation process and fermentation process, what they do, the producer add the alteration method. And what is this adulteration? So given the issues conducting the distillation without proper equipment, hooch makers often err on the side of caution and they add adulteration. And if adulteration used in a improper amount in a improper way, so that also become dangerous. So this is also the other risk we have. And what kind of adulteration they use? So they have this organic waste, battery acid, and industry grade methanol, which is very highly toxic in nature. So that's why the alcohol become toxic. Now we come to the risk kind of things. So first, it can make hooch far more intoxicating and producing effects just like blackouts, memory loss, high drunkenness, and even the consumption of low quantities of liquor. And the second one, which is an extreme situation, and in extreme cases, when adulteration like methanol are present in high concentration, the liquor is unfit to consume and can be deadly. So first, what they had impact, so they have impact on the memory loss, blackouts, high drunkenness. And in extreme cases, if it's consumed in a improper way, it can be deadly also. So this is the impact of that. Now we come to that, how hooch impacts the body. So we already had discussed there is a problem of memory loss, blackouts, and in some cases, it can be deadly also. So methanol, which is present, and methyl alcohol can cause impaired vision, because if you'll boil anything and if you'll ferment anything in an improper way, then there is a presence of ethanol and methanol also. And methanol can be very dangerous to your body. So it contains high toxicity. So high toxicity and metabolic acidosis. And then we have also the problem of excessive acid, which cannot be flushed out by the kidney. So sometimes there is also problem of kidney failure. And we have this treatment of fomepizole and ethanol. So fomepizole are very much expensive in nature and it is not much available in different parts of the country. So that's why generally doctors use ethanol, and they use ethanol with the water, and the ratio is 1:1. So this is the basic method and easy method to control the what you can say hooch patients who had consumed poisonous these kind of the liquor. So this is the bad impacts of hooch we have on a human body, and the reason behind is that it is produced in a crude setting. There is a improper way of heating, there is an improper way of fermentation, lack of knowledge, and because of that and lack of regulation also are taking so many lives, and so many people are hospitalized because of the hooch tragedy. And these kind of tragedies are available in almost all parts of the country. So the regulations related to the liquor must be taken care of by the government. Now we come to the question part. The question is related to the ethanol. And the first statement is, it is a biofuel produced from various sources such as sugarcane, corn, rice, etc. And the second one is ethanol is 99.9% pure alcohol. Here they're asking the correct one. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So you have to answer this into the comment section. And I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.